Hello, everybody. My name is Hamilton Jamil the Fourth. I'm here with Jesse. Say hello.
Hello.
We will be talking about domain and range, but using interval notation. What is interval notation, you say? Well, let me tell you, my good friends. So, interval notation is basically using the closed things. What are these called again?
Brackets.
The brackets and parentheses.
What a bracket is, it means that it stops. Like right there where it says -9, it stops at -9. Where the infinity sign with the parentheses means it doesn't stop, it keeps going.
Good job. Okay, so domain is on the x-axis and it's going left to right, and the range is on the y-axis going top to bottom. We will be showing our example our example equation that we used. So go ahead and take it away, Jesse.
So what we're going to be doing is finding the domain and range of a quadratic graph. And I say quadratic because in this equation, we have it squared. So what that means is it's going to be a U-shaped type of graph. So we have x minus 6 minus 7. So we're going to go to the left 6 and then go down 7. And we're going to plot our point right there. And then we're going to make our other one. And then go up 1 and then up 3 and then over 1 and then up 3 and then over 1, and that gives us our graph. But it's gonna keep going, which means that our domain is gonna be negative infinity and then positive infinity. And it's negative infinity because this one's going to the left and it's going into the negatives. And we have a positive infinity because this one's going that way and it doesn't stop. So yeah.
Interesting. So for the range for this, it's going to be starting from -7 and it's going to be a closed bracket. Because of this, the closed bracket means that it's just a flat line, not going anywhere else. That's where the -7 is. And because... Alright, hold on, let me think. Okay. So for the next one, it's going to be positive infinite. For that reason is because the two x's, or should I say the domain for these two, are both going infinite, high all the way to the top and not stopping. That would mean the y-axis is still continuing upwards. And this would have the parentheses. And there's that for your domain and range. So, Jesse, how come -6 is not going to the left, but going to the right? I'm confused.
It's going to the right because of these type of equations. Whenever it's a negative, it's going to the right rather than to the left. And when it's a positive number, it's going to the left rather than to the right because we're writing it in standard form.
Wow. So quadratic formula is not that good if we want to have these kind of things, or is it quicker this way?
It's quicker with standard form, yes.
Wow. Alright. So Jesse, tell them what the class is doing.
So we have another equation that you guys can try out to solve using the same methods that we did. So you guys can go ahead and do that.
Before you guys do that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video to help donate for charity. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy. Using a slingshot from the ground to hit a bird.
That's horrible.
What's cracking, mother?
I don't know what internet notation is about. That's your thing. You're supposed to explain that. I'm going to explain what we're going to be doing.